To just be patient than it is to pick the right stocks every single day. And I think some people nature nurture. Some people like probably Ronald.
Okay, so sir, obviously I stopped you for speeding.
No excuses.
131 and a 50. So with that speed, you're going to lose your license and you lose your vehicle. Do you have your driver's license, ownership insurance on you? You understand that's stunt driving, right? 50 zone. Whose vehicle is this?
That is my father.
Your father? Okay.
Like 10 minutes ago, I got my G license.
Okay. So unfortunately, you lost it for 30 days, right?
I have a clean record.
Not today. That's crazy speed, man. 130.
I thought the limit was like 90 here.
It's look at the signs. Everywhere up and down the street. You've just passed the school.
May I return to G2?
No, you won't. You passed your test.
No, I think I should get a retest because of this offense.
Well, they don't give you a retest. Sir, so you are being charged with operating a motor vehicle 40 kilometers or more over the limit in an under 80 kilometer hour zone, okay? Alright, so the second one is for speeding 131 kilometers an hour and opposed to 50, okay? I have a feeling you have learned, and I have a feeling I'm not going to see you in this capacity ever again.
I hope we never meet again.
Okay, sir.
Daddy, tabi! Oh my God! Oh my God! Daddy.
Andrew?
I've got a car here that's it's sitting at a light for its third cycle.
Where are you?
Bayview and St. John Side Road.
Just off with the vehicle. Male is asleep behind the wheel. I'm going to attempt to wake him up. We have a vehicle in front of him blocking, and my vehicle's behind him.
Keep your foot on the brake, okay? Put your car in park.
Male's awake. He just rolled into the cruiser ahead.
Sir, I need you to put the car in park. Okay. Turn the vehicle off. Give me your keys. How much you had to drink tonight? Nothing?
No, only drink half a little.
Okay. Alright. Out of the vehicle, you're under arrest for impaired, okay?
Never ends, does it?
Bérénice que d'une Véronique. En fait, le vrai nom de Véronique se serait imposé au fil des siècles.
Yeah, you're almost.
Buddy!
Should we stop?
Yeah.
Or is he okay? We better pull over. Make sure everything's okay. I don't think it. Just make sure he's okay. Things happen. I mean, sometimes people aren't smart. It's crazy. You okay? I don't think it was at my side that.
Ah! Woo!
A few moments later.